Hey everyone, let's finish this piece today, but first I have a couple little updates and some kind of guiding things that I'm doing on this that I wanted to tell you all about. First, I got some new beads in. So these are some more dagger beads to fill in when I run out of the glass ones from France. But I also realized I need some bigger, taller, spikier beads for the shoulders. I got these, which are nice and spiky, but they're kind of small, and I think the same size as the French ones. So I'm looking for much bigger, taller, spikier sword dagger beads, but got these. But I also wanted to talk about some beading thread. I purchased this beading thread from Silver Moon, Montana on Etsy. I'm pleased you can get this anywhere else, but I wanted to pop in and say how important it is for beading thread. I've had a couple of my threads kind of pop while sewing a lot of this heavy embroidery because cotton thread is just not strong enough to hold glass beads like this or to hold a lot of heavy weight on this. So beading thread is much thicker thread to use for heavy beading and embroidery, and I highly recommend. And I'm going to start using this now on my pieces. Very excited about it. Okay, so where we are on this, I had to remove this from the placement I had because I realized the placement was a little off, and it's a lot easier to put these leaf charms underneath of this if it is off. So we are going to continue following this line here with these leaf charms that I got from India. And then I'm going to fill in the spots right here with some of those black dagger beads, and then maybe do some more filling in with the silver embroidery floss if I need. And then this piece will be done. But I can't attach it yet because I have to do the other one, the other red one that's smaller, but will receive the same type of treatment as this one. So let's get to stitching. Okay, so I just finished putting all the leaf charms down, and I believe this now lays nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. That looks great. I just want to come in before I continue to shout out this thread. This is the best thread ever for beading. It does not tangle. And I have been able to move so much faster. I'm putting all of these charms and beadwork down because that thread is extremely amazing. It's not, I wouldn't call it pre-waxed, but it's definitely smooth enough to where it feels it and is not tangling as I'm going through. So I'm going to add some more charms, these little dagger beads right here, and we're calling this piece done.